Here first today. Learning. What are you learning? Learning to be the first one there. Or the How was your weekend, all of you? Did you have a good weekend? Ibrahim, you won the first prize for creative writing. Really nice creative writing you had. Your creative writing was good. We had some prizes for the creative writing. I got so many creative writing from all of you. And it was so difficult for me to choose which one should I give the first prize. But don't worry, if you guys didn't get any of the prizes, there'll be Hashima, I'm kind of sick right now. Really, what happened to you? So don't worry. If you did not get any of the prizes, there's nothing to worry. We'll be having a lot of competitions for you guys. We'll be having a lot of things today. It was so good to see all of you. I started a key stage 1 class in the morning, and you won't believe it. I only had 3 kids there. Only 3 members joined in. And I missed all of you there. And I was thinking, my 12 o'clock class is so good. I have so many of you who come and join in. And in key stage 1, there were only 2. I hope Vivek, Rani, you get well soon. Don't worry, relax, have a good time. Was it year 1? Yeah, it was year 1. And I only had 3 kids there. 3 people. Or 3 members, whatever you say. There were only 3. It was looking like I'm just talking to myself. Is it key stage 1? Yeah, that was key stage 1 in the morning at 10. And I didn't have anyone, and I missed all of you there. And I really wanted you guys to be there. You guys are so nice. Give a thumbs up to yourself. All of you are great. So let's start. How's 11 plus preparation going on? Was it year 1? Yeah, that was year 1 in the morning. Just have a look at the video. It was only me who was going on talking. I won 3rd prize. Yeah, you did. Thanks, Preeti. I'm Palkin. Yeah, okay. Serious. Yeah, I'm really serious. There were only three people there. Only 3 members. Nobody else. And I missed all of you there. So you know what we're doing today. You must have seen your favorite doggy. You like this video. You like this class. I know. You 1 second. Oh yeah, you did. Your creative writing was so good. What year group is aimed for year 5 or year 4? Today what we are going to do is for both the year groups. Basically it's for year 4 and year 5. We'll start with the easy stuff. Then we'll start with little hard stuff. It'll be easy rounding. It'll be easy decimals with the rounding. So we are going to do some rounding today and some mixed fractions, because I have seen that when we move on with the hard topics, we are left with all the easy topics, and I don't want you guys to lose marks for easy stuff. Yeah. So that's why we'll be starting to do rounding today, because I thought about a topic which I've seen everyone struggling something or the other, and then we'll go back to hard stuff. So if it's easy, do you like fractions? Yeah. Do you like mixed fractions? We'll be doing mixed fractions today. So we'll be doing mixed fractions, and we'll be doing a lot of rounding today. And don't get bored with the rounding. I know you guys don't get bored with the rounding, but you guys got really, really bored when I asked you guys to do a comprehension. So we won't be doing comprehensions, but we might do little more things like a little grammar now, because I have seen that all of you, your grammar was really bad, some of you, in the creative writing. So I want to improve your little grammar. And we'll do that on Wednesday, not today. Today we won't do English. We'll be doing maths today. So we'll be doing English on Wednesday, and we'll cover up some topics for grammar in English on Wednesday. Tomorrow, what I have planned, I'll be doing little verbal with you guys tomorrow. What about my grandma? Yesterday I was on Facebook. Were you? That's good. So tomorrow we'll be doing just uh, end of this life. I'll asking you what do you want to do in verbal. So we'll be doing something for verbal tomorrow, and on Wednesday we'll be doing little bit of uh, English on Wednesday. So let's start sharing a screen before you guys get really bored and you say that Ashima, we are hungry, we want to eat. So we should be sharing a screen now. And can you see my chat? I can see all of your chats. Don't worry. I can see all of you what you're writing. And my chat got frozen in the morning today. I hope it doesn't happen now with you guys. So my fingers are crossed now. When is the key stage one lesson? I'll see if I'll go ahead, because with two people only attending, I have to double think. Because I can give more sessions to you guys than giving only for two people. I hope I make sense. So let's try sharing the screen, guys, and start doing your maths now. Here we are. I'll make it little bigger for you guys. As I told you, we'll be starting with the easy stuff. Then we'll go up with the hard stuff. Yeah? So you need to round the amount to the nearest whole number. You guys know what whole numbers are? Remember to look at the tens. Don't worry about the hundreds. I will start our daughter in key stage 1. I know, that's why I told you we'll be starting with easy. Then we will be going to the hard stuff. So your first one is, let's try doing the first one. It's really easy. You guys are so clever. Seriously, I've got the answer for all of them. Here you go. That's why I told you guys we'll be starting with the easy one. Then we'll go with something harder for you guys. So the first one is round these amounts to the nearest whole number. So the first one was 6.71, and we got the answer already is 7. The second one was 2.88, and the answer was 3. And the third one was 3.38. The answer was 3. The fourth one was 4.5. The answer was 5. The fifth one was 705, and the answer was 7. And the sixth one, you guys are really quick. I like about this, about you guys. Number 6 is 6. So let's move on now to the nearest, round these lengths to the nearest whole meter. I want to see how you guys do this one now. So the first one is 5.56. I know it's easy. 5.56 would be 6. 8.23 would be 8 centimeters. Sorry, 8 meters, not centimeters. Meters. Remember about your meters and centimeters. Like I did a mistake. Don't do that mistake. 9 is 4.15 meters. That is 4 meters. Then you have 10. That is 2.3. And 11 is 16.66. That is 17 meters. 12 is 6. Is 6 meters your answer for that one? 13 is 8 meters, 14 is 82 meters, and the 15 is 13 meters, and the last one, 16, is 10 meters. Well done, guys. So they're saying rounding to the nearest whole number. Revision, we know that. We won't be doing that. Rounding to the nearest whole ones. We'll be leaving all this because all of you are really, 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 really clever. We'll be doing this one now. Let's see how clever you guys are on this one. So the next one is you need to round these amounts to the nearest whole number. 7.842. So how would you do it to the nearest? 1. So 7.8 would be 8. 3.909 would be 4. And the third one would be 4.832 would be 5. Good, guys. Fourth one is 4.5888. That would be, the fourth one would be 5. The fifth one is 8.109 would be 8. And the sixth one would be 7. Oh, you guys can't see that. Sorry. So you have the kgs now. So 5.567. So number 7 would be what? Would be 6 kgs. Number 8 is 6.439. That would be 6 kgs. Number 9 is 2.199 kgs. That would be 2 kgs. That's good. Number 10 would be 3 kgs. Number 11 is 4.567. That would be 5 kgs. Number 12 would be 10 kgs. Number 13, it's 7.099 kgs. Number 13, that would be 7 kgs. Number 14 would be again 7 kgs. 15 would be 9 kgs. Good, guys. And number 16 would be 9 kgs again. So you have to be really, really careful when you guys do from kgs to centimeters, centimeters to kgs. We have done a lot of rounding to the nearest kilometers. We leave this one because all of you, okay, I want to do this one. Let's see if you guys do this one. Now we can look at the hundreds. Let's see if you guys can do the hundreds now. This one is little tricky. So let's do. Hi Ashmi, Ashmi is here. It's fine. Yes. Nearest 6.70. I got the first one. Good. What about the second one? 2.81. How would you do that? Rounding to the nearest 10. 2.80. Well done, Ashmi. What about 8.35? Guys, don't worry. I know it's easy, but it'll be a quick revision for you guys. Because sometimes when we do hard stuff, we forget to do the easy stuff. It's 8.40. Good. 5.57. Let's see who does nearest 100 to this one. Oh, Abraham did all of them. So number 5 would be 5.60. Number 6 would be 1.20. Well done, guys. All of you know your decimals really good. Then you need to do in centimeters now. Let's see if you can do this one now. So you're doing it in centimeters, guys, now. Sorry, in meters, not centimeters, in meters. 9.17 meters. If you do it to the nearest tens, what it'll be? No, it won't be 9.10. It will be 9.2. That'll be 9.20. And the next one, 4, it'll be 4 meters. Yeah. 404 would be 4 meters. And the next one is 17.98. Sorry, that will be 18. Good. 11.54. For number 10, 11.54 would be 11.5. Good. You guys are really clever in this. Well done. What about number 11 now? 7.96 meters. Oh, I got all of them from Preeti. Here you go. All are here. 11th is 8 meters. 12 is 2.8 meters. 13 is 50.0 meters. 14 is 87 meters. And 16 is 3.4 meters. Well done, guys. I want to rounding to the nearest. Okay, let's nearest 10, nearest, you did all of them. There's so much of roundings. I want something else than rounding. Okay, this one is a little different. They're saying, what are these lengths to the nearest tens or one decimal place? So 4.616 kilometers is 4 kilometers and 616 meters. That's a long way for someone like me. Yay, he got such a long leg. So now he is asking you to do 4.616 kilometers. Let's see if you guys know this one. Yes, you got the first one is right. 4.616 kilometers is 4.6. So the next one is 1.029 kilometers. How much is that one? Remember your points in this one, guys. Now your points are wrong in this one, all of you. I got the right point from Nidhi. Here you go. It's 1.0. Sorry, it's 1.0 for number 2. And for number 3 is, what about number 3? Is 9.931 kilometers. It's 9.9. Yeah, for third one is 9.9 kilometers. Good. What about number 4? 8.9 49 kilometers. Here, Preeti's done all of them for you guys. Good. So, these are the answers till number 5. 7.059 kilometers. He's so happy now. I won't do the nearest 10 to centimeters because, okay, let's do this one. Let's see how much centimeters if you guys can do in centimeters. You need to do it in centimeters now. So 8.01. Yes. Number 7 is 8.1. Let me see what you guys are doing for number 8. We are on number 7. You need to round it up to the nearest centimeters. 8 centimeters, I'm getting the answer. Remember, not in meters, you're doing it in centimeters, guys, now. I wrote all answers, did you? That's good. I did all of them, so all of you know how to do it. That's good, guys. 7 is 800 centimeters, 80. Oh, here you go. We got all the answers now. 8 centimeters. Then I have 10 centimeters. Then we have. Good. So you guys know how to do this. That's easy. Somebody's saying it's easy. So here comes your fractions now. Fractions and decimal fractions. So let's do it. You need to tell me about these fractions now. 1/2 is what in decimals? Half is what decimals? And then 2/2 is what in decimals? And then 1/3 is what in decimals? 2/3 is what in decimals? Half is 0.5. Good. All of you are doing it right. What about 2/2? That's equals to 1. What about 1/3? I've got all the answer here. I was trying to find all the answers. It just moved up so fast. I can't even get it down now. Let me see if I can find all the answers. I saw someone writing all the answers for the decimals. It's gone now. I can't find the decimals. Here, Ashmi has done all the decimals. That's 1. Then you have Ashmi. What about the third one? 1/3 is not 0.66. What is 1/3 in decimals, guys? I did it too. No. 1/3 is 0.33 in decimals. 1/3 is 0.33 in decimals. And 2/3 is. What about 2/3? What about 2/3? Anyone for 2/3? I'm waiting for 2/3 is 0.66. Well done, guys. 2/3 is 0.66. Anu, well done. And 3 by 3 is again it's 1. What about 1/4? Anyone has done 1/4? What is 1/4 in decimals? 0.25. Good. 1/4 is 0.25. What about 2/4? What's about 2/4, guys? Anyone for 2/4? 0.5. Good. 3/4? What about 3/4 now? Anybody knows what about 3/4? 0.75. Good. That's what 4 by 4, you know it's 1. Well done, guys. You guys are really quick in decimals. Okay, converting fractions to decimals. Let's see more if you know these ones now. Because this is something all of you really get confused in. I've seen a lot of kids getting confused in this one. What is 1/5 in decimals? Anyone? 1/5 is 0.2. Good, Ashmi. 2/5. Anyone for 2/5 now? 2/5 is not 0.2. Oh, okay, you're writing the answer for the previous one. 2/5. Anyone for 2/5? 2/5 is 0.4. Well done. What about 1/7 now? 1/7 is 0. It's 1/7 is not 0.4, guys. Try doing 1/7 again, all of you. Try doing it in the proper way. What do you think 1/7 is? 1/7 is 0.14. 1/7 is 0.14. That's for 1/7. So yeah, I told you we'll be starting to do hard ones after doing easy ones. So try doing 2/7 now and tell me the answer for 2/7. I was calculating. Okay, that's fine. Well done. Preeti has got the answer for 2/7. 2/7 is 0.28. So you have now 1/6. What about 1/6 now? 1/6 is easy. 0.16. Good. What about 1/8? That's the answer for 1/6. Anshu, your answer is on the board. And I'm waiting for someone to give me 1/8 answer out. Here you go. See, she did it again. What did she do, Ashmi? What happened? 1/8 is 0.125. Good, guys. 8 and 8, you guys know what it is. Oh, I like this one now. Let's see who does this. It's getting harder and harder now, guys. I love this. It makes you guys to calculate little more, to do little more calculations. What about 1/9 now? 1/9 is 0.1. Good. What about 2/9? Let's see who does 2/9. 2/9 is so easy. I'll wait for you guys to give me the answer for 2/9. I won't give the answer yet. 2/9 is 0.2. Good, guys. That's a good one. You guys are doing so well. What about 3/9? Oh, 3/9 is not there. So let's do 5/10. What about 5/10 now? They have, you know what, they have the blanks here. They want you to carry on doing it like what's 210. Okay, let's do 210. It's not there, but they told us we should be doing that. Or just do 210 for me, then we'll do 5/10. So 210 is 0.2. Well done, Divya. If I can. Oh. And what about 5/10? 5/10 again is 0.5. You should be remembering all of these, guys, when you go for your 11 plus, because these are easy calculations. What is 1/10 is 0.1. What's 5/10 is 0.5. If you know them, it'll be easy for you to do really, really hard calculations. 9/9, we know it's 1. 10/10, we know is again 1. Having found decimal fractions, you know what equivalent fractions are. So we need to make them in equivalent fractions. Try making half in a equivalent fractions now. Equal. It's so easy. You need to find equivalent fractions for half. Yes, guys, that's good. 2/4. Anyone more than 2/4? I know all of you did 2/4, 4/8. That's good. I'm waiting for. Yeah, here I get. Vivek, well done. 3/6. So you got all of them for this one. It's 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and 5/10. Nobody did. Oh, Ashmi did. Well done, Ashmi. Ashmi wrote 5/10. So try doing 2/2 is 2/2 is the easy one. You can do 3/2, 4/4, 5/5. Try doing the 1/2. Sorry, 1/3. Try doing 1/3 for me. Let's see if we can find 1/3. 100/100. 1/3. Well done, Ashmi. Ashmi got 2/6 here. For 1/3 is 2/6. And also 3 by something, guys. And 3/9. Let me do it a little up for you. What about 1/4 and 1/5? Equivalent fractions for these two now. 1/4 and 1/5. 1/4 and 1/5, you can only get one answer. So your answers won't be different for 1/4 and 1/6. Yes, Joshua, you got the answer, Joshua. The answer is 2 by 8. Well done. And what about 1/5? What about 1/5, guys? Waiting for 1/5. Let's see what answer can you get for 1/5. 1/5 is 2 by 10. That's the only answer you can get, Ashmi. Well done. 1/5, that's the only answer you can get for 1/5. This is the easy one. All of you will be able to do it. Converting fractions to decimals. Okay, that's the easy one. We'll do one, two of these. This is a quick revision for you guys. What is 0.5 in this? Is easy. 0.5. Good. All of you are doing it really well. Is 5 by 10. 0.03. This one is the one I feel like all of you get confused sometimes to do it. 0.03 is 300ths. So what you'll write? 3 by 100. Good. 0.09 is 900. So you will write 9 by 100. 0.04, you guys are really very good in this. You will write 4 by 100. This is the one I want you guys to do it now. Let's see what fractions you can write in this. Little more calculations for you guys. 0.35. That's an easy one again. That's an easy one. All of you will be able to do it. It's 35 by 100. 0.08. Good. So just try doing any three of these, then we'll move on to the next one. Because this is easy for you guys. 28 by 100. Good. You're doing it really fast, so we can move on. 0.08 is 8 by 100. And then you have 0.35 is 35 by 100. This is so easy. We'll move on because I don't want you guys to waste your time. I want you guys to do something complicated like this one. And it's saying not as difficult as it looks. It will finish these in a couple of minutes. So write the mixed fractions into decimals now. Let's see who can do this. So you need to write the first one in the mixed fraction. Remember, guys, mixed fraction. It's 7.337. Good. The next one is 3.665. They think you guys don't know it, and you guys are so clever. Third one would be 1.901. See, I got all the answers here. The fourth one will be 6.025. So when you have this, you can remember that we did an easy session and we did all of them so quick. So all of you should be getting it right. None of you should be getting it wrong now. The fifth one is 3.041. The sixth one is 4.002. The seventh one is 2.101. And the eighth one is 7.333. So easy peasy. Now, isn't it easy, guys? Preeti Sharma has given me all of them. Good. You guys will be able to do this. I'm not going to do this because you guys are really, really clever. So let's do some calculations now. Let's see which one is. This is something I like now. So remember to look at the example. Work out which is the largest fraction in each of the pairs of the fractions. So which one you think is the largest fraction? 5 by 9 or 67 by 100? Yes, 67 by 100 is for the first one. The second one is 13 by 45 or 383 by 999. That's so easy. Obviously, it will be 883 divided by 999. The third one, 56 by 60 or 8 by 9. The third one, obviously, it will be 56 by 60. Number 4 now. I want to see who does number 4. 12 by 1000 or 7 by 500. No, it's not 12 by 1000. The answer for the fourth one is, what you're giving me the answer is wrong for number 4. Anyone else is 7 by 500. We need to be careful when we do decimals. It's easy. That's why you guys are doing it wrong now. Number third, we did. Number fourth, we did. Number fifth now, 17 by 120 or 14 by 101. So which one do you think? For number 5. 17 by 120. Good. That's the answer for this one. What about number 6? 7 by 60 or 56 by 200? I've got the answer from here. That's good. It's 56 by 200. Good. Little more working for you guys now. Use your calculators. You don't use your calculators. Use your brains in this one, all of you. Use your calculator to find these fractions in order of size to the smallest first. Remember, when we have something like this, you have two options. First option is making it into decimals, and the second option is just making the denominators same. So you can find what's common in them and then try doing it. So which one do you think will come? Which one you think will come first? 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 43 by 90, 21 by 50, or 467 by 900. Joshua, you're so quick in this. It's 3 by 8. Good. So the smallest one, they just asked you which one is the smallest. So you just need to make sure which one is the smallest, and you did. It's 3 by 8. Try doing the next one now. It's 9 by 20, 3 by 7. Do we use calculator? No, you're not allowed to use calculator. You just need to make it in the decimals first. If you can't do that, try making it. Try making it the denominators same. I think so you guys are using your calculator. Naughty, naughty. So for number 8 is what? For number 8 is, we don't have 3 by 8 in. Oh, you're telling me the answer. I have no idea. You have no idea. It's fine. And that's why I said in the end, it's little tricky. So number 8, your answer is 3 by 8. After, sorry, number 8 would be 3 by 7 would be your first one. My teacher calls me a calculator. That's good. So you do it. 3 by 7 is your first one. And the next is, for this one, is 9 by 20. Then you have 143 by 300. So you have, first one is, in this one is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is your first one. Then you have 9 by 20 is your second one. Then you have 133 by 1444. Then you have 13 by 14. Then you have 241 by 258. And then the last one, you have 45 by 47. Here's all the answer for this one. That's the answer for this one. I may be easier, faster in year 5. I can't see. I've done it for you. So we are done. Looks like it's done now. Oh, another largest pair for you guys. That's an easy one. Now, this is the last one for today. These ones. So you can do it. So they're asking you which one is larger. How long? We are going to finish now. Is 6 by 11 or 517 by 1000? Which one you think is bigger? Round decimals, equivalent before fractions and decimals, and you need to think which one is bigger. I'm hungry. You're always hungry. Try doing any 2 of these and we can leave it. Let's do number 1 and number 6, guys. See, somebody's giving you banana. I'll put the banana for you. Here. Praveen has given you a banana. Eat it if you're hungry. So the banana is on the screen. So 6 by 11 is good. 6 by 11. Let's do number 6, the last one for today. 9 by 61 or 42 by 300. Which one? 9 by 61 or 42 by 300? Eat my comment. Oh my god. You be naughty, naughty. Yes, that's the answer. Oh, that's the answer. Good. Well done, all of you. Where's my well done gone? Ow. So much food going around. I won't do the rest. I will stop sharing the screen now. So, you guys, we did a lot of rounding today. We did lot of fractions to decimals today. Hit it with a. So, we did a lot of things today. It was an easy session for you guys. So, you guys can't say that you don't know how to convert from decimals. So boring. What was boring? That was interesting. You should enjoy. So we did a lot of things. Tomorrow we'll be doing verbal tomorrow. So what you want to do in verbal, just give me a comment, write in the comment box. What do you want for verbal? It was so easy. I know it was. What do you want for verbal? Write it down. Look what I've written. 9 term doesn't come in verbal. Ashmi wants compound words. Oliver said codes. You're welcome. So we can do sequences tomorrow and we can do little codes tomorrow. 3-letter words. I think so. We did sequences before. 3-letter words, yeah. 3-letter words is something I've seen all of you struggling in it. Okay, guys, we'll decide what we do. Before you leave, don't forget to like the video for today. And I know who didn't dislike the video. I know all your names and I know who's playing tricks with me. So don't worry about that. I will catch the culprit. And I know who it is. Who? Who's giving me thumbs up down every day? No? Okay, guys, I'll leave you now. I know, Ashmi, you can never dislike me. It's fine. Okay, guys, have a lovely day. I'll see all of you tomorrow. Okay, bye, everyone.